everyone, you're welcome again to my channel. This is Skin Illustrations with Cindy. Today I actually have a prompt to make this video. The outbreak of coronavirus in the world, it's a mind-boggling thing, and a lot of people are at a loss on what they should do at this time. We are asked to use hand sanitizers and maintain healthy hygiene, and also take good food and fruits at this time. But how many of us actually know the best hand sanitizer to use, the kind of food to eat, how to go about it at this time? So I'll be making today's video, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you can make your hand sanitizer at the comfort of your home using ingredients that you can find around you. Also, I'll be talking on immune boosting foods that you require at this time, alkaline foods that will help you stay bubbling at this period. I do not want you guys to fret. Yes, COVID-19 will come and go, and we will all be here, okay? So do not be afraid. I'm going to show you guys some tips on what you are to do at this time. Please do not go anywhere. Join me to the end of this video. I promise you are going to learn so much from today's video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please go ahead and hit on that subscription button. And if you're already a subscriber, please stay put and like this video and share to your friends. Let's go about today's video. To make the hand sanitizers, I will be making use of my Isopropyl alcohol. The higher the alcohol content, the better for you. This alcohol is 95% alcohol. You can see that. So you can get methylated spirit from any pharmacy, but make sure that the alcohol content is high enough. Okay guys? So I will be making use of this alcohol. Then I will also be using my aloe vera gel. I didn't make this myself, but you can make your aloe vera gel by yourself by extracting the gel from the aloe vera plant. Also, I will be using my vegetable glycerin. This is an emollient and it will help in locking up moisture on the skin. Remember, the alcohol will dry out your skin, but this will help in maintaining the humidity level of your skin. Also, I will be adding propylene glycol to my mix. Propylene glycol is also an emollient and helps in making the hand sanitizer penetrate into your skin, and will also help in leaving moisture on your skin and making your skin not to dry out. And I'll be adding some essential oils like tea tree oil, black seed oil, eucalyptus oil, that is an antibacterial oil, then clove oil, and my lavender oil. Also, I'll be adding a little bit of my food coloring to my hand sanitizer. I'm using fuchsia pink for this. So guys, when you are making your hand sanitizer, make sure that your space is clean enough. Wash everything, sterilize if you can, wash your hands, and make sure you put on your hand gloves. You can see mine, I'm wearing my hand gloves. So I'm going to be using this for my mix. Is a sterilized cup, and first of all I'll be adding my alcohol to my mixing cup. Make sure your ratio is at least 2:1. 2 of alcohol and 1 of aloe vera gel. Okay. I'm using a 62 ml cup for my measurements. Then I'll be adding my aloe vera gel. Remember I said I'm using the ratio of 2:1. So I'm using 1 cup of my aloe vera gel. When you are done with this, you mix your alcohol and your aloe vera gel thoroughly before you add other ingredients. Then the next thing I'm going to be adding is my vegetable glycerin. I'll be adding 5 ml of that. Then I'll be adding 5 ml of propylene glycol. I'll be adding 2 drops of my black seed oil. And 2 drops of my clove oil. Also, I'll add 2 drops of lavender oil. Two drops of my tea tree oil. And finally, I'll be adding 2 drops of my eucalyptus oil. Stir in your mix. It will be a little bit semi-solid, like pap. You can see that. If you choose, you can leave it at this time, but for me, I would like adding colors to my mix. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of my food coloring. Good. You will have to now stir this up in a sterilized container for use. Then I'm going to show you how to use your hand sanitizer. You put on your palm or spray and you massage into your palms for like 30 to 60 seconds and massage into your fingers, corners of your fingers. You keep doing this for 30 to 60 seconds. That's how to effectively apply your hand sanitizers. Then there are immune boosting foods that you can eat, especially at this period, to stay okay and not fall ill or not to break down or not to make yourself prone to coronavirus. You can get fruits like grapefruit, oranges, lime, lemon, mangoes, dandelion, onions, cabbage, raspberries, berries, strawberries. Strawberries are also very good. These fruits are mostly alkaline. They have pH level of above 7. So they are alkaline based fruits. They are good in boosting your immune system. Tomatoes are also good to boost your immune system. Carrots are also very good to boost your immune system. So lay your hands on these fruits. Get them around you. Eat them as often as you can. Ginger is also very good to boost your immune system. I told you guys I am going to be making my ginger drink. I'll be making my ginger drink and I will show you guys how I make my ginger drink. I make it and I store it in my fridge and have my family take it. It is a very good immune boosting plant. So get these foods around you and eat them as often as you can. It will help boost your immune and help you stay away from sickness. I told you guys we will all survive this period. COVID-19 will come and go and we will all be there.